In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gifs on Microsoft Teams in just under 5 minutes. If you enjoy adding a bit of flair and fun to your conversations, enabling Gifs can be a great way to do so. Let's dive straight into these simple steps that will help you unlock this feature. First, you need to ensure that you're logged into Microsoft Teams. You can do this by opening your Teams application or heading over to the Microsoft Teams web client, which is available at teams.live.com. Once there, use your credentials to log in. If you're experiencing any issues logging in, it might be worth checking your internet connection or seeing if your account details are up to date. Now, after you've successfully logged into Teams, let's locate the 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, which you'll find in the upper right-hand corner of the application. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu that displays various options. Next, from that drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. This action will bring you to a new screen where you can adjust various aspects of your Microsoft Teams experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Clicking on Privacy will lead you to further options that specifically deal with how your data is handled and displayed in Teams. Within Privacy, you're going to see an option labeled Optional Connected Experiences. This is a crucial step, as it contains options related to experiences and features that can enhance the way you use Teams. You want to make sure you're focused on this section. Now, it's time to toggle this feature on. You'll see a switch or checkbox next to Optional Connected Experiences. Simply click on this switch to enable the feature, allowing Gifs to be used in your Teams. After you've enabled this feature, the final step is to restart your Microsoft Teams application. This is important because it ensures that all the changes you made are applied correctly. To do this, simply close the application completely and then reopen it. If you're using the web version, closing and reopening the browser can do the trick as well. And there you have it. With these quick steps, you've enabled Gifs on Microsoft Teams, bringing an extra layer of expression and fun to your chats. Don't forget, if you ever wish to disable Gifs, you can follow these steps in reverse. I hope you find these enhancements useful and enjoy adding a bit more personality to your conversations in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easily digestible tech tips.